It has never been easier to explore and engage with NUITEQ Snowflake. NUITEQ Snowflake's enhanced community page offers a wealth of resources. This updated version provides users with a Snowflake.live full demonstration video. The community page also includes links to new release notes, our series of tutorial videos, the NUITEQ blog, and the Snowflake content K-12 educational YouTube channel. We have also highlighted standard-aligned lesson activities for math, ELA, science, as well as Spanish translations. Selecting the See All icon navigates to the entire catalog of our published lesson activities, each with a comprehensive lesson plan and supplemental resources designed to save teachers time while providing a rigorous learning experience for students. Discover the integration of PhET interactive simulations, enabling enriched science and mathematical instruction. Empower your students with hands-on experiences that foster deeper understanding and engagement. Additional resources include the NUITEQ Snowflake User Guide and our webinar series. If you have not yet incorporated NUITEQ Snowflake into your teaching practice, sign up now for a free 60-day trial and experience firsthand how the innovative features and resources of NUITEQ Snowflake can transform learning. With the updates to the NUITEQ Snowflake community page, it's never been easier to explore and engage with our platform. Take advantage of these valuable tools and increase student engagement and streamline your teaching practice today.